come say hi on our way to the airport. Hi. Lola's really stressed because she likes us to be on time, and I don't know what being on time means. So they say I'm scared of airplane flushes. Like, I'm scared when I flush. Like, it scares me. Like, I'm gonna go down it. And my eyes were hurting me, but there's nothing in them, so I think I just needed to get up. Still got 4 hours to go and change into my slides. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to be getting up though, so I need to find someone to ask. I guess my nail broke.
Hold on. It's Steve. Okay. I'm not there, but my partner is ready to pick you.
Hi guys, so I'm in my hostel. I don't even remember what I wanted to say, but they said meet and greet and then they weren't even here. Let me flip the camera. Yeah, so they called it a meet and greet, that when we get here we meet and greet, and then when the CIEE people even here had to ask another girl because she got an email. That was my roommate, she sleeps here. And thank God that I spoke to them because they're the ones that helped me. And now I know, I've met the woman. Oh, I need to change, it's so hot. I met the woman and she told me that everyone's from my camp, that there are a lot of people from here. They're leaving at 1:30, so I feel like I'm in a bit of a pickle. I don't know if I should leave with the girls I met that are in my same room because theirs are earlier, or I should just wait to leave with the people from my camp. Okay, so I'm by myself. I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa. I was looking for this place that my insurance person recommended to me. Don't know where I am. So I saw KFC and I was like, oh, where there's KFC there must be McDonald's near there, innit? So that's what I'm gonna get for breakfast. You can see the KFC in the distance. I don't even have Wi-Fi, that's the thing. Like, if you have internet, everything is possible, but obviously let me do up tourist.
Okay, so I walked all the way something like 104th Street and I was going the wrong way. So yeah.
I feel so like out of place just ordering in McDonald's. I wish they had that touchscreen thing here so I didn't have to talk to anyone. They don't understand what I'm saying. Yeah, at this point I wish I took Spanish because it's not even like American is a language. Guys, I'm heartbroken. The homeless people here are so bloody nice. Where am I going? I don't know how to bloody cross roads in this country. I feel like such a vlogger. I just got a £1/4 meal because I didn't know what I was doing. And yeah, the free Wi-Fi wasn't working. McDonald's always has free Wi-Fi. It wasn't working, but yeah. So I'm back in the hostel now. Just checking my stuff because I didn't actually put it in the locker. My stuff is calm. No, I touched it. And I'm going back upstairs. Is that hard?
I thought the British TFL was difficult.
Yeah. Where's the ticket then?
Here.
Guys, it's so fun. Put your ticket through. I was so dead.
Bring it over to her and tell her you got something to get through.
On the subway. I had to carry this girl, her suitcase, twice down the stairs. Where I'm sweating. Oh my god. Hella touristy now. No one can tell me this doesn't look like a zebra crossing. No one. Oh, I'm sorry.
flashlights on your face and diary?
I am 100% a princess because what is this? They don't have cleaners, no. None of that. No?
No.
Legit.
Stand you.
I'm baffled. Absolutely baffled. What's the point of a bloody shower curtain? What privacy have I got? Yo, I'm crying. Look at that. You're about to shower there, man.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Ew.
See, I'm helping people that are going to apply to Camp America because...
I just
okay, so we've got
That's me too. I'm like looking tired, but I'm drinking coffee.
I wish I recorded you opening it. Okay, so this is day 2 and something has definitely bitten me. My arm was just hurting, like stinging. You can definitely see that swollen. They're saying it's a mosquito bite, but you can't see a clear bite. So, I don't know. The kids aren't here yet, by the way. Hi, hello. So I was stung by a bee, which is nice. Got a nice band-aid. Yeah. Right there! Oh my god! So we have a bird in our cabin. So I just decided, let me record. Because it was by the window where I'm sleeping.
Hello! Where's the bird?
You have to speak in bird language.
It's back on the window! How many sticks
How
I
much?
gotta throw at
Oh,
it?
that's a dog song. Nigga, come out! The door's wide open!
Did it come out?
No!
What the Oh my god!
Stop going! I mean, hurry up.
I'm sorry, I had to make sure.
Just thought I say something that looks like that. But just thought, but mine is up a hill. This is where we shower. This is the best time to do it because I'm not really meant to be here. That is my cabin up there in the distance. So I climb down that. Even though you're not meant to, but it's quicker than the long way. Guys, listen, yeah, it's mad. I'm not gonna open this, I don't want to touch it. Toilet. Put on weight already. Yeah, this is the one I always use. It just seems to be the cleanest. And she dead ass left her shorts there where you brush your teeth. Look at that. It's a hard knock life for us. This is my backpack that I'm carrying because I'm cute. They weren't playing when they said this American Sunlight was the one. Guys, there's, my lips are dry, excuse me. There's a cabin here where my friend is staying. The tree, dead ass, is knocked down because of lightning. Like lightning hit it and it hit another cabin so people can't stay there. That's why that area is like quarantined off as well because it's like prone to get struck. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing. I just had my photo ID taken.
Oh, why do you look yellow? I promise they're not yellow. That's not, nah.
This is not my scene.
In the mornings we have to open this up and let the chickens out. He's always first out because he is in control. This is a patriarchal.
What is going on in there?
So they all have their
Same. I feel so liberated. These leaves are nice. Imagine getting fun with that. No way. No way. Stop. What? Get out.
Literally, it tastes so good. Okay, take a bit. Take a...
I was saying, imagine getting fanned with that. The leaf is bloody poisonous.
Oh, okay. I was like, no. See that? If you were to eat the leaf, you'd get very, very sick. The rhubarb is absolutely fine.
It tastes like cucumber to me. I'll get like red.
Good question. I don't know.
Okay.
I do not know. But yeah, Harry and
This is
Meghan's wedding,
elderflower.
they had an elderflower themed cake.
Everyone's moving. I'm not trying to get stung by a bee again, so after they stay over here. What's the difference between normal bees and honeybees? I'm gonna ask that, get back to you guys. I'm a killer.
Oh, they did that?
Yeah, so something that sort of size, that would be Kim's job to get rid of that, because that's more than we can do.
This is just the cheese that my teeth.
She's a cow by name and makeup. She is a stubborn cow. We have the South pasta that we like to put them down.
I had your bags.
Meow.
This is a sheep, but he looks like Billy Goat Gruff or something. Oh, they all look the same.
They have rectangular eyes. The eyes are their head because they are obviously prey.
Wait, the pig is called TK.
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 So this is she goes nuts. You can hear it.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, shake it, shake it.
The crumbs from the bottom of the pan crumbles into here. There is no full brownie.
It looks like a
Okay,
volcano.
now let me scoop it for you guys.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Piss off with that. No. You guys are so funny. I mean, we all scavenged out of a big thing, you know? I'm not trying to eat all of this gooey stuff. What is it, jam?
it's pudding, you idiot.
Guys, you took all the crumble stuff. Sunday, so I've officially been here for a week. The time is, in America, it is 1:30. I'm very homesick. Haven't really spoken to anyone since like the start of the week. I'm just wearing, this is what I'm wearing to hike. I've got a belly because apparently I'm lactose intolerant in America. I don't have this problem at home. Actually, I don't feel that much at home, I'm just gonna be honest. But here, I had to change to this nose stud because I lost my other one. It's even an earring, but yeah. So you would think my showers are nice like this. No, I don't get this. I hate the fact that the toilets are like this, so open. That's a door. This is our staff lounge. We don't have Wi-Fi at the moment, but we're meant to have Wi-Fi. I'm hoping to get Wi-Fi tomorrow so I can post this. But yeah. We're going on a hike. Sarah's crunching like a rabbit. I know you're not just about to pass that past me.
Hold on, pay attention. So everyone gets one chicken patty and one hot dog. If you do not eat pork, you will get 2 chicken patties. Okay?
Ooh, cheeky. I can't even put my head back because of this.
But everyone can do it, but know that they are one step further and one step stronger than their last step, okay?
Ugh. I think it's cute. Chloe, say hi.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, I feel so touristy.
wet and the water is draining out the side, or it's maple. It's like it's sap pouring out the side.
What sap? Maple
Like,
syrup?
Kinda. It's like
So
juice.
this is where we're sleeping.
Call the shelter.
Look at my skin. Ugh.
Not open. And then we can get it out here. Yeah.
What?
Rocky Ledge got a whole lot of
What?
Rocky Ledge got a whole lot of
Whole lot of rocks. So my friends, they are haters. They bully me.
Oh, chill.
Oh, okay. Are you? Bread that looks like cake and this. Oh, it looks horrid on camera. The applesauce is nice though.